student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal Universal School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and today's topic is mushroom on the grass with color. Look at the board. Now I will show you how to draw a mushroom. This one is very easy topic. First draw a half circle like this. Okay. And then use this type of line, okay, and then give this type of line, but stop sometime and join like this, and again draw this type of line and draw a tiny mushroom. And give the grass, though here mention the grass. And now I will show you a frog, but this one is not mandatory to draw. First give a circle like this and give 2 eyes and draw the leg. And then another leg. But this one is not mandatory. If you can draw this. Now look at the board. I have already colored a mushroom for you. You can follow my color and you can also give by your choice color. I have colored the full page. First color the sky with light blue and pink color, and then this one is yellow color and brown color, and here I have used the face color, that means the light cream color, and here also cream color, and this one is mixing with cream color and brown color. Here I have uses the orange color, and on the frog I have used light green, deep green and black color, and on the grass I have used dark green and dark blue color and light green color also. So my dear student, this one is your HW also. Practice at your home more and more time for your better drawing, and this HW you must submit at your school every Saturday. So no more today. Thank you.